How to assemble and install aluminum gate. Step 1. Side posts installation. Use number 8 screws to attach bottom cap for each side post. Drill holes 5/8 of an inch to 3/4 of an inch hole to the first wall of the channel of the side posts. Drill 1/8 of an inch to 3/8 of an inch to the second wall in the channel of the same holes. Level the posts on the wall, mark and drill holes to your anchors. Attach the side post to the wall and level it again before tightening. Slide in the post cover on the hinges side and the stopper on the lock side. Step 2. Assembling the aluminum gate. Measure the opening between the side posts. Cut the aluminum slats 7 3/4 inch shorter than your total gate opening between the side posts. Use number 8 screws to attach the bottom cap on each gate post. Slide the gate post cover on one side on each gate post. Insert the first aluminum slat between the gate posts and use number 8 screws to attach it. Slide in the rest of the aluminum slats and spacers and build the aluminum gate. Use number 8 screws to attach all the aluminum slats. Start with the last slat to secure the gate. Slide in the last 2 gate post covers to hide the screws and attach the top cap with number 8 screws. Step 3. Install the aluminum gate. Mark and pre-drill the hinges to the side post before using the number 10 flathead screws. Place the gate open and use number 10 flathead screws to attach the gate to the hinges. Step 4. Install the gate's lock. Mark the height of the lock, usually 42 inches from the ground. Use metal door lock installation kit to drill the lock holes. Install the lock. Use lock's manufacturer instructions. The aluminum gate is ready. Alumission's aluminum gate can be installed as a side gate, pull gate, entry gate, and more. You can add any deadbolt or access control system if needed. Like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.